There we go.
I pushed it up so I could see it. And I told don't bang my head against the wall.
Yeah, don't bang your head against the wall.
I cannot.
Yeah, let's see.
I can still hit my hand on it. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
What was your dream job when you were a kid?
I don't know.
What is the job? Did you ever think about having kids?
Yeah, that's why you're here.
Like I was saying when you were a kid.
Yeah. That's a totally random question, but yeah.
Cause I do too.
Waiting for pairing.
What was that?
I just turned off the Bluetooth. There we go. I just turned down the volume.
Can I sing that song?
You can do whatever you want. You gotta get a little closer so that way the people can hear you. Oh, I can't. Here. There we go.
Are we on mute?
No, we're not on mute anymore. No.
Nice.
No. That's what I'm thinking about, actually getting like a real microphone so I can like put it right between the two of us and we could talk.
You would hear both of them. You would hear like both of us talking.
Well, they can hear you now.
The crew have their own microphone.
Hmm?
The crew have their own microphone. They're in separate rooms so they don't get like echo.
Right. But they can still hear you though. So
Darn it.
Genghis Khan. Oh, my phone just fell. Yeah, Genghis Khan is on. He has he put out an egg, an Easter rabbit.
Oh, like Easter egg
Yep.
hunt.
Well, hence the name of the stream
Oh.
is
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Oh.
Yeah, a thumbs up and a telescope.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Some YouTube videos that people like, people who watch live videos, the chat goes crazy. Like popular YouTubers go crazy.
Oh yeah, they
Their
do.
live chat, everyone can't read it because there's so many.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I try to type hi, and no one can even see it because there's so many people.
Because there's so many people. Well, you don't have to worry about that for my stream because
Yeah.
there's only between 4 to 10 people at each.
There's like one person right now.
No, there's not. Look up the top there. There's
oh,
four.
There's four.
There's 4. One person has commented so far. Now it's 3. But people will come in and go. So they'll come and go.
Good Sunday to you and your Elliot tribe.
The Elliot tribe. Yep.
The Elliot tribe.
Yeah, it's a good Sunday.
Yeah, no, yeah, it is. And it was the Good Friday,
Uh-huh.
Good Friday, Sunday, Monday, Saturday,
Uh-huh.
and then Good Sunday. Do
Yeah,
I have to
it's
go to
today.
school tomorrow?
No, you don't.
Oh yeah, spring break.
Spring break.
I keep forgetting it's spring break.
Yeah.
I like sitting next to you.
Right.
Is your volume really high for the talking?
Yeah.
I'm trying to talk low so I don't get like really hot.
No, you can go as loud as you can. And you can go as loud as you can because for me, I got it right between where the green and the yellow is.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll get a microphone so that way we'll be able to put it right between the two of us. Yeah.
We are the Elliot tribe.
Here we are. So this next image should be done. We're taking a 5-minute image right now.
Left.
Yeah, it's going to happen. Throughout the night, it's going to happen.
Why don't they like the stream? Is it because nothing's happening?
No, that's not true. People come, people go, and that's okay.
Happy Easter, Good Friday. I think that's what it said.
I think that's exactly what it's saying. I think you're right.
Happy Good Easter.
Happy Good Easter.
Like
I think you're right.
Like it.
So this next image should be just about done here.
We should look under the microscope with this.
On the next cloudy night, I will. Just be careful with it, okay? Yeah, it used to be filled up all the way to the top.
The other ones did nothing.
What?
The other ones here, they did nothing.
Yeah, they didn't really do much. Yeah.
I don't know why the red one did, but the other ones.
I have no idea. There we go. So the next image should be just about done. Here it is. So here's a 5-minute image, Kenzie. Look at that. Even without me changing the histogram, you could see it. And then if I were to take this and go like this, and then
That's the lights.
here.
Ooh, I like that. I like it. I like the dark one.
Look at that.
That's the
Look at the detail. That's some great detail. That's one image. Stars look really good. What do you think?
It looks good.
I think it does. I think you're right.
I'm glad when I'm here because then you don't say bad words.
I mean, look at, you can actually see the central core, and you can see how it spins all the way around.
It should be called the pinwheel.
Well, there is a pinwheel. There's already.
Oh, yeah, there is one.
Yeah, there already is a pinwheel.
I like when I'm here because then you don't say bad words.
Yeah, we are together.
Still my brain.
The stars look great. Look how good those stars look. Definitely impressed. I'm definitely really impressed in how this is. Should we do this in color?
Wait, you said you don't have color one.
There's a way to do it.
So you can get
Yeah. So watch. Stop the image. Alright. It's a process, but you could do it. Yeah. Close all but this.
Is it the same quality as this one?
Hang on one second. I'm just saving it here.
Price of 22.55.
Because I'm just saving these.
Would you? I do. Daddy, I do. It's all like, ew.
Yeah, I'm saving the images here.
Mine says ew. How do you remember which one was red?
Well, because these are, yeah. See, these are images I don't really care about. I'm just getting rid of them.
Why do you have one that says ew?
Because I typed in anything.
Can I just
Because I'm just typing in letters at random.
I'll do this.
Okay, here we go. All right, perfect. Here we go. All right. All right. So we're gonna change the filter. All right. So we're gonna change it to red. All right. So we're gonna watch the stars. The stars are gonna change. Watch the star change. There. It's almost 9:30. Actually, that's not too bad. Actually, there's 6 people watching right now. If you want to leave, that's fine. You can go. You forgot something. No. There we go. So that's red. We'll get the whirlpool in color. So we're going to do this in red first. That looks pretty darn good to me. And we'll get this in color, so.
Good night.
Oh God, you scared me.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Good night, people.
She says good night, everyone. There's 6 people watching.
Good night, Dada.
Good night, Kenza.
See you tomorrow morning.
Yep, tomorrow morning. Bright and early. Cotton swabs versus corona swab testers. Interesting. We did. Yes, we most certainly did. I'm just moving the moving this around here. Whoops, wrong button. There we go. There we go. That's better. first red one is done. And of course, naturally, there's another friggin' satellite. That looks really good for a red image. Wow, I'm very impressed. Well, I would try. I would definitely try. I'm not making any guarantees, but... Oh, it's not matching up with that. Oops. Working on it. Whoops. Well, I'll have to ungroup these and figure this out here. Alright, give me a second here. Let's get these grouped and get these set here. There we go. Much better. Okay. Whew. Perfect. Turn up the music a little bit here. Stars look good.
It's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 It's alright, so let's move on.
We've taken 3 so far. Got 2 more to go. We're taking 5-minute exposures. We're taking 4 of them. Let's see. I mean, it looks really good in red. Alright, well, let's see here. I'm gonna do this. We are shooting just off to the side of this. We're shooting right here. That's where, oh wait, no, that's wrong. Hang on. How is that wrong? Ah, okay, there we go. So that's where we're shooting right there. Okay. So we're just off the handle. That makes sense. Is there any way I can change the color of it? I don't think you can you? I don't think you can. Histogram. No, you can't. Sharpcat settings? I don't think you can. No, it doesn't look like you can. Okay. I thought you could. Alright, so now we've taken 5. So we are going to save these as M51. Oops, nope, wrong. There we go. M51 red. Save. Perfect. And 3.04. Remember 3.04. Alright, so we're going to flip this to green. That should be pretty good right there. That's perfect right there. Excellent. Alright, so 5 minutes, 3.04 for the gain. Perfect. And go. Excellent. We're taking 5-minute exposures. Welcome, Kim. Welcome, Genghis. Welcome, George. Anna. Happy Easter to everyone. Exactly. Hello, Elliot. Look at the pointers. Yes, there's pointers. We're going to be doing a bunch of things. Even the upside down 45. Yeah, upside down 45. The only reason is I flipped the image so this way it's more appealing to everyone. That way the dipper is right side up. We'll be labeling some of these stars here so this way you'll see everything. Polaris is... I don't know if it's in view. Let me see. I don't think it is. I don't think I have Polaris on here. I think we're just on the outskirt on the other side. Yeah, it's literally just off the edge there. So, what I can do... Well, I can't really move anything else. Well, I mean, I could. I could group these. So let's see here. So here. We'll just do it this way here. Just move this up here. Here. We'll move this up. Okay. Actually, no. I'll move it down, actually. Right there, that should be perfect. Okay. Perfect. Right there. So then what we'll do... Alright, so let's see. We're gonna get rid of this one here, get rid of that one there. Okay, so that's Koshab up at the top there. Alright, so the first green one is done.
I'm sick of you. You're here with charms, trying to explain how you
I'm doing 5 minutes. We should be able to get a ton of detail, which it looks like we are. So I'm very impressed.
I might forgive
So
sometime.
we're on to green.
Maybe never.
So we should do 20 minutes in each frame, so that'll be an hour.
I let you know that the tears were just all for show. So messed up. I was yours to keep. Now you're never coming home with me. I'm sick of you. So sick of you. I'm sick of you. So sick of you. I'm tired. Thought I'd let you know that the tears were just all for show. So messed up. I was yours to keep. Now you're never coming home with me. I'm sick of you. So sick of you. I'm sick of you. So sick of you.
done. We've taken 2 so far in green. And we'll get rid of the crosshairs. This way it shows where we're pointing, but we should know where we're pointing. You could probably go longer for exposure, but 5 minutes seems to be perfect. So I'm pretty happy with that. Oh boy, dogs are barking. Oh boy. We're gonna let the music play for a little bit, and we'll be back.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. You gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it
Okay, we're back. Take the music up a little bit there. This way you'll be able to hear me and the music at the same time. So we are deciding what we're going to be getting next right after this. So we've taken one image in blue so far. Blue is going to be the most prominent out of the three. Out of the red, green, and blue. Just because this is a more strong blue than anything else. And you're really going to see that the details pop in the blue. I mean, that is incredible for the blue. Perfect. Take a look and see. Alright, so we're just about done with the blue channel, so this way we will have everything all set up for the red, the green, and the blue for the whirlpool, as we have taken this number 3 out of 5, so we have 2 more to go. So the question is, out to everyone who is watching, is what is the next object we're going to get? Now we're going to do red, green, and blue on the northeastern side, so anything that is rising on the eastern side. Make sure you put a comment on there right now and just see if there's anything that you guys want to see. I mean, I would love to do that, as we are looking really, really, really good. I mean, you're looking at some perfect detail with this. So, very happy of how this is going. Yeah. I'm looking to see if nobody has any ideas. I'm just gonna pick one and then just go from there. So Kim, George, Anna, of course anybody else that's out there, let me know. Let me know if there is an object out there you want to see. If you gotta do some research, whatever it is, let me know. And again, we can take a look together. Dealer's choice. I'm looking. I am looking. We're on number 4 of 5 right now, so we're just about done with blue. Genghis Khan says dealer's choice, meaning that I get to be the one to choose it and see what we get. So I think I have an idea of the next one we're gonna do. Oh, I got one more to go. One more to go.
It's like a dance, the way that you shake your head in full denial of the truth. Didn't get a chance to say it loud. Your secrets kept you pushing down, disavow. When it was knocking on your door, nobody got in. But when you're screaming for a hand, nobody's listening. This is far from the end. You're gonna be back for more. This is far from the end. You're gonna be back for more. All this silence, dear old friend, come to push you to the bitter end.
Alright, so now it is done. We're gonna save it as blue. Perfect. Now they're gonna save, so we're done with that. So now we're gonna move objects. So let's see. Alright, we're gonna do this one next. Just smaller, on the smaller side of galaxies, but we should be okay. Should be right on the same plane as where we're imaging. We're just gonna be looking over to the other side here. Gotta find it. Huh. I'll have to type it in. GC 50005. There it is. Okay. So let's stop the guider. Alright, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to here. Alright. Let's move the mount. Oh, excuse me, I just burped. Whoopsie. There we go, right there. Should be dead center. Let's take a look and see where we are. Should be right where we need to be. It's gotta go up. Yeah, it's gotta go up. Okay, let's see what that does. We're gonna move that up just a slight bit. Alright, we should be in good shape right there. I'll let that settle down, and then we should be right in view. Because I want to get two galaxies in here and get it in color. So I want to make sure that we have it right. Alright, here we go. And of course, we're gonna move the Big Dipper moved on the screen, which I'm gonna move it up. So give me a minute here, and I want to get that set up. All right, I want to make sure to see where we are. Okay. I want to make sure. I'd say it has to go west and then down. Okay, perfect. And that should be right where I want it to be, and we'll be dead center. Alright, cool. And this way we'll have two galaxies in one shot. That's what I want. Alright, let's try that and we should be centered and ready to go. Let's see if we have any good guide stars. Oh, we do. By the way, we changed the colors too. I don't know if you noticed that on the guide. Instead of it, Kenzie wanted to change the color to purple and blue instead of the green and orange. So that's what we're doing here. We gotta change it. Hang on. I gotta go south. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should do it right there. Okay, there we go. Go. There we go.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to,
There we go.
honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And now I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep.
Alright, so a little bit about this. So we're going to go into a little bit of detail with these two galaxies, because there's going to be two here. Alright. And as I said, we're going to go into some detail. We got NGC 5005 and NGC 5033, which are two galaxies back to back. And we're going to be getting both of them. Alright, so we're going to zoom out a little bit so that's the way we can see it on the screen on the bottom right. There we go. So, there we go. That should be perfect right there. Both galaxies are going to be in view. Alright. So we're going to start with NGC 5033. This is the bigger of the two. Okay. NGC 5033 is a 11th magnitude galaxy. And again, if anybody can't hear me over the music, by all means let me know. What I could do is I could turn it down a little bit here. There we go. Okay, so NGC 5033 is an 11th magnitude galaxy in the constellation Canis Venatici. It has an apparent size of 11 by 5 arc minutes. Its relatively large angular size and high surface brightness makes it an object that can be viewed and imaged by amateur astronomers, which, like ourselves. The galaxy has a very bright nucleus and a relatively faint disk. Significant warping is visible in the southern half of the disk. NGC 5033 is a sprawling spiral galaxy with a thick arm. Several pink star-forming H2 regions can be seen, which I think we should image this in hydrogen alpha. The galaxy is estimated to be 37 million light-years away. The galaxy is classified as a Seyfert. Its nucleus is extremely luminous and varies in brightness. How about that? That's pretty interesting. So that's NGC 5033. Not bad. That's pretty cool. So it's two small little galaxies, which is super awesome. And we'll have to really, really stretch this image big time. But we're also taking this in blue, so red, you're probably going to get more detail than anything else. So, we'll see. We'll see what we get. But it looks pretty good so far. We'll get rid of this image because we don't need this one anymore. Pretty impressed in how this one is turning out. Now you have the blue filter here. Now what's going to be cool is this bright star that you see, this one right here. So this bright one, this is a red star, so this is going to be extremely vibrant. This is called HD 114975. This one's a variable star. It's 6 magnitude. It's about 17,000 light years away. And this one is 128 suns So, diameter. So it's 128 times bigger than our own sun. On the spectrum, it's an M23, which is technically a plus 1.59, which is an orange-red. So you're going to see an orangish-reddish star. And this one's going to be very, very orange. It's going to look really cool in color. So I can't wait to see what we get with that. That's going to be really neat. I think that's part of the reason why I got it, was because there's just different variety of color of stars. And you're going to see the two galaxies, and this will be really the first time we're going to be getting small galaxies in color. Because we're getting 4 images at 5 minutes apiece.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all.
Yes, I am very, very close to this. We just did the whirlpool. We did that in color. We did red, green, and blue. And we did 5 minutes apiece. We did 4 shots of each color. We are just on the eastern side of the sunflower, as we're just getting 2 galaxies that are side by side. Sunflower is about 8 degrees west of this, as we're in Canis Venatici right now. And I figured we'd just take a look and see.
As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give
That galaxy looks pretty cool. Definitely pretty happy with that. And if you're wondering what that one is, that's NGC 5005. That's what this one is. It's a little small little galaxy. So, of course, naturally, this is the next one. And NGC 5005, a little bit about this. It's an inclined spiral galaxy. Ooh. It's inclined. This galaxy has a relatively bright nucleus and a bright disk that contains multiple dust lanes. The galaxy's high surface brightness makes it an object that is visible to amateur astronomers using large telescopes. At 120 times with a 400mm telescope, NGC 5005 appears as an elongated diffuse patch of light with a bright diffuse center, surrounded by a larger halo. NGC 5005 has a visual magnitude of 9.8 and an apparent diameter of 5.4 arc minutes, which is roughly about one third of the size of a full moon. X-ray observations of NGC 5005 imply that the galaxy's nucleus contains a supermassive black hole. Its strong, variable X-ray emission is characteristic of that expected from the hot, compressed gas in the environment outside a black hole in an active galactic nucleus. NGC 5005 and the nearby spiral galaxy of 5033, that's the one we just talked about, comprise a physical galaxy pair. The two galaxies weakly influence each other gravitationally, but they are not yet close enough to reach each other to be distorted by tidal forces. And that's why I decided to get this one, because it's so interesting. It's so cool. How about that? Who knew? Alright, so the third image should be just about done here. And then we're going to get to number 4, and then we'll flip this to green. So right now we're doing this in blue. And then we'll do red. We may do some hydrogen alpha with this. I don't know. We might. I haven't decided yet. Alright, one more image left here in blue. You can actually see some of the arms, so that's actually pretty good. So this is nice. So this will be really, really, really good. I'm very impressed with this. Good. The stars look good. Good, good, good. Alright, so blue is now done. And now we're going to flip this to green. We're going to save these as NGC 5005 blue. This way they're all saved. Perfect. Okay, and I will flip this to green. Okay, go into green. Perfect, right there. Perfecto. Excellent. Now we're taking these in green. I see M44. M44? I know M45 is the Pleiades, which that's not until later this year. M44. What is M44? Oh, the Beehive. Beehive's going to be a little tough right now because it's on the other side. I'd have to do a meridian flip. So that's going to be tough. I'd have to go from east to west. That's not to say that I can't do it, though. Yeah, the beehive. I figured. You were talking about the beehive not too long ago. I could try to get it. I mean, it's on the western side. It just sits just west of Pollux and Castor, which are the twins. Right now, currently, it is 54 degrees above the horizon, and it's setting. I could try. But it's going to be going towards the trees, because it's not exactly northwest. It's more like west-west, so that's going to be a little bit tougher. Because there's some really tall trees in that area. There is, and what I could do, somebody mentioned it on Facebook, and actually let me pull it up here. And Kim, you probably saw it. It was actually on your post. Now, let me see if I can pull it up here. Here it is, right here. No, that's not it. Yep, there it is. No, is that it? Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah. Okay. So Kim, there is a supernova that is in NGC 3310 that we could take a look at if you want. George Kolosowski. I can't pronounce his last name. I apologize if I can't. Kolosowski. There it is. So George Kolosowski says that check out the one in NGC 3310, nicely out on one of the arms, so easy to spot. It's Supernova 2021 GMJ. Yeah. And 3310 is just passing the northern meridian, not the southern or the eastern and the western, but just the northern. So I should be able to get it without any problems at all. Because right now it just passed it, so by the time we're done with green and red, we should be in great shape. You should get George on the stream, and so he can watch. You should. So the first green one is just about done. I'm sure George would love it on this stream. Alright, so the first one in green is done. So you should be able to get a little bit more detail out of this one here. Red you'll probably get the most, Because unlike the Whirlpool where it's just going to be solid blue, this one you should be able to get something out of it. And you can see somewhat of the arms. And there is a little bit of a dust lane there. So that's cool. So even at 5 minutes, we're getting some good stuff here. So that'll be awesome in color. So after this, we're going to jump to NGC 3310, and then we'll call it a night. So we're going to get this. We may only do 3310 in luminance. We're not going to do that in color. In good news, we have officially, as of this afternoon, we have officially determined the filters that we are going to use for this setup. We are going to be using a filter called Astronomic, Astronomik, and we're going to be doing the hydrogen alpha, oxygen 3, and sulfur 2, and they will be 6 nanometers. Right now we are currently using Sobony, SVBONY, hydrogen alpha filter currently, and it's serving its purpose. It's doing really well, but we are going to be getting those, and that'll be in a little bit. But we have made our decision. They will be here just in time to get the ones for late spring, early summer, which that will be the Pelican, the North American Nebula. We're going to be getting the Ring Nebula. We're going to be getting the Veil. And we're going to be doing a massive mosaic of the Veil this summer. And we're going to be doing that in hydrogen alpha, oxygen 3, sulfur 2, red, green, and blue. We're going to be just doing everything. We're going to be throwing things at you left and right. So we got a lot to go over this summer. If the nights stay clear, we should be able to get at least 30 to 40 nights this summer. At least. That should be enough, and we got to get a game plan. And make sure we know what we're doing, so this way we're not missing out. We are also going to be getting a filter for a light pollution filter for my wide field. A cheap one. I'm not going to go nuts. I'm not going to get a really expensive one for that one, but we're going to take care of that. So this way we'll get more area. And then also we're going to be getting a light pollution filter for the luminance. We'll be doing that too. That's undecided right now at that point. I don't know about that one yet, so we might hold off on that one. So the second image should be just about done here in any second now. There we go. So number 2 for green is done. So now we are officially halfway through this object. See what the bottom one looks like here. Well, that's pretty good. There's actually a little dust lane there. Look at that. A little bit of a dust lane there. That's really cool looking. Wow. Yeah, so this one's actually going to turn out really well. I'm very impressed in how that's going to turn out in color. That's really cool. That's right, Mike. Happy Easter to everyone, even the aliens out there. I'm sure they are celebrating Easter too. So we're on to image number 3. We got one more after this, and then we're going to take in red, and then we're going to flip over to the supernova.
Your eyes shatter mine, I will be defeated. But if I'd go back, I could turn away. But if I leave it, I couldn't let me. If I go back, I could turn away.
Alright, we're on our last one for green. Champagne supernova. That's right. We're going to be getting that next. We're going to learn a little bit about a supernova too, so this way you'll know how it, how to get it, where it is, the name of the supernova, all that good stuff. So we're going to be able to look at that very, very shortly. We're getting one more in green. We're going to flip this over to red, the red filter momentarily here. And we should be able to see what we're going to get. I'm just debating whether or not I want to get it in color or if I want to just do it in luminance. I don't know yet. I haven't decided how I want to do it yet. Not sure. This is only 11:30, so we still have a little bit of time. So we might do it in color. So I haven't decided.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it.
Now, so we're going to be flipping over to the red filter momentarily here. Just about done, because we're taking 5-minute images here. Stars are looking really, really good. We started the night with M51, which is the whirlpool. We did 5-minute images. Those 4 sets, so 20 minutes apiece on each filter. So it was an hour of the whirlpool. And now we're doing an hour of NGC 5005 and NGC 5033. So those are the 2 galaxies. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over to the other one, and this way you can see. And what we'll do is we'll change this here. It's not whirlpool anymore, so it's NGC 5005. Yeah, Mackenzie wanted me to change the font apparently, so I don't know why she wanted me to do that, but that's fine with me. So apparently that is better. There we go. NGC 5005 and then NGC 5033. So this one you can actually see the actual spiral arms a little bit with this being an incline.
It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that.
Still looks really good. The stars look phenomenal. For this being 5 minutes, stars look absolutely pinpoint. And the way that I have this with the focuser now is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy how I did this. And by saving the money from that focuser, now we can get the other filters, which is so nice. So I'm very, very impressed.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Alright, so we should be just about done. Alright. And now we're going to flip this. We're going to save it. We're going to close the window a little bit. Alright, so now that's done. And we're going to go to... Alright, now we're going to flip this to red. Alright, so now we got to change the focus. Because of course these are not parafocal, which I learned that, but that's okay with having the new focuser. This is fine with me. I'm perfectly fine with that. That should do it right there. That's perfect right there. That is perfect focus right there. Alright, so then we're going to go back to 3.04. It'll be the same gain on all of them, and go. Perfect. So we're doing the last and final set here. And we're going to flip it back to the wide field again. Alright, so the first red one is done. Alright, so we got 3 more to go. So in about 15 minutes, we are going to flip this over to the supernova. So the next one is done. Yeah, so we got 2 more to go. 1 more after this. Stars are still looking really good. So we should be just about done with the 3rd one in just about a minute. Alright. Last one. Alright, so the last red one should be just about done here any minute. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go out, because we're gonna flip the meridian. We're gonna flip the mount. Just gonna go over the northern meridian. Yep, still at it, still going strong. I'm gonna take advantage of these clear nights any day I possibly can, you know, and so far we're doing really good. We are just about to finish NGC 5005 and 5033. Alright, so now that's done. So we're gonna save these. And then this is again in red. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna stop the guider. Okay. And then we're going to put this in video mode. Okay. And now we're going to zoom this out because we got to go to NGC 30. What is it? 30. What the hell is. Gotta pull it up here. It's over here. $33.10. There it is. Okay, NGC 3310. There it is. Okay. All right. All right. We're going to move the mount.
shadows stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. No obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race. We are duty bound. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate.
Okay, here we go. Alright. Now we just got to get this centered.
We give it our best, but sometimes we need to stop to see what we have ourselves. I'm grateful about everything.
Alright, perfect. Should be right there. Okay. Now let's see here. Okay. Let's take a quick image here in red, see where we are. Should be right where we need to be. This just hit the meridian, so... Alright, should be just about done. We're going to take a look. Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to take a single 20-second exposure here. See what we got here. And we'll figure it out from there. So we're going to... Alright, here we go. Let's take a look. See here. May have to do a plate solve because we're on the other side here. Yeah, let's do a plate solve. Just want to make sure where we are. Okay. Alright, we're gonna save this image. Plate solve. Alright, so let's see where we are. Alright, so that's NGC 3310. I think that's where we are. Well, I think we are anyways. We're in the right spot. Yeah, 3310, so that is right. Okay. Alright, perfect. So we found it in 39 seconds. Where are we? Oh, we're way off. Okay. Alright, so we should be dead center now. Alright, perfect. That's why we couldn't find it. Now, let's see. Trying to find a song here. So wait, down at the bottom here. There we go. Alright, perfect. That's dead center. Excellent. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, so now let's see if we got any good guide stars here. Let's see. Oh, we got a great guide star. Perfect. Excellent. Alright. I'm guessing that's it right there. Okay. It would have to be it. Is there a bright star next to it? Oh wait, maybe that's not it. Maybe it's next to it. Not sure actually. I don't know if this is it or not. I don't know. Oh, maybe it is it. Yeah, you could see it. And it looks like there's a star that's next to it. At least I think so. Oh. Alright. Let's check the star map here and see exactly what the hell we got here. Okay, we'll go to NGC 3310. Okay, there is a bright star there. I think it would go this way. Yeah, that's definitely it. Oh yeah, that's definitely it. Okay, perfect. Okay. Oh yeah, you could definitely see it. It's there. Okay, cool. So what we'll do a short exposure, shorter than usual. We'll do a 5. Why are they shooting off fireworks? Like, what the frick? We'll take 7. I don't know why they're shooting off fireworks. I have no idea why. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, then flip this around. We're taking a shorter than what we were doing before. We're going to take a 2-minute exposure just to see if we can find the bright supernova in it. Close enough. Not gonna worry about it. I think that's close enough. Alright, so now then we're gonna do NGC 3310, and then we're gonna do SN 2021. And then we'll do GMJ, which is the supernova. Question is will we be able to see it with this? I don't know. It's gonna be close. It's there. I mean, I don't know. Jeez. I may have to increase the exposure. Well, guiding looks like it's settled down, so. Oh, it's right there. You can see it. Okay, it is there. Alright, cool. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to 5 minutes then. We'll go do the usual 3.04. We'll do this in color. Alright, cool. It is there. Alright, sweet. So it is there. There you go. That's the supernova right there. And guiding looks really, really, really good right now, so we'll probably see what this looks like here with a 5-minute image. I think we should be in great shape. It's very faint, too, and this is a small galaxy, too. I'd like to get this in color, so... So we're taking a 5-minute image right now as we speak. And we'll see what we get. Alright, let's see. The image is done. Let's take a look and see. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's beautiful. It's right here. That's gorgeous. This is with the red channel too, so we're gonna do this in color. And how friggin' awesome is that? That's awesome. That is great. How many light years? Great question. NGC 3310 is a 10th magnitude spiral galaxy appearing in the constellation Ursa Major. It is 55 million light years from our solar system. NGC 3310 appears roughly 2 by 2 arc minutes in size, corresponding to a physical diameter of 28,470 light years across. So roughly about 1/10 of the width of our galaxy. It is a spiral galaxy of morphological type SABB and is receding at 990 kilometers per second, which is about 0.3% of light speed. So it is receding us. Crazy. It's crazy. Just awesome. And then it has a supernova. I don't know exactly when the supernova hit, but yeah, it's really, really cool. Somebody got it. Let's see, when did they get this picture? April 3rd. So that was 2 days ago? No, yesterday. It was, yeah, well, now it's 2 days ago because now it's the 5th, but yeah, it was 2 days ago. And we're going to try to get this in color, so that'll be really cool. We'll take 5-minute exposures, do red, green, and blue. And happy Easter to you too, Sammy. I think this is going to turn out to be a really cool picture if we can keep the guiding the way it is and get it for red, green, and blue. I think will be fantastic. So we'll take this for about, I think we'll take 3. That's 15. That's 45 minutes. It's already 12:20. I want to be done at 1. So I think we should be in good shape. So we'll take 3. 3 red, 3 green, 3 blue, and then we'll be done for the night. Alright, so the next one is done, so we'll take 1 more. That's perfect. Open up the window again, so it's getting really warm in here. Oh, excuse me, I just burped. Oh boy. That was a big burp. Knowing that we're on the other side, I could probably go a little bit longer for exposure for the wide field. Probably go 120 seconds. Whoops. Oh boy. I mean to do that. There we go. 120 seconds. That's more like it. Ah! Refresh that. Didn't mean to blind anybody. Sorry about that. Oopsie. So last image here that we're taking in red, and then we're going to flip this to green. So we're taking 5-minute images here. Alright, should be just about done here. I want to take a look. Because I got 6 of them open. I want to try to get rid of the ones that I don't need. I should be done any second now. Perfect. Okay. So we took 3. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, we don't need this one. This one's gone. We don't need that one. That one's gone. That one's gone. Don't need that one. That one's gone. And this one's gone. This is a preliminary image. We don't need that one. We took 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then what we'll do is we'll save this. Batch save. SN 2021 GMJ red. Perfect. Okay. Alright, now we're going to switch this to green. Alright, flipping the filter to green. I gotta make sure that this focus is absolutely pinpoint, because if we're getting something that is just tiny, 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 I want to make sure that this is set. I think that should be good. Yeah, that's perfect there. Okay. Excellent. How's the focus? Good, good. Guiding's good. Everything's good with that. Good. "120 seconds. Oof. Apparently that's too bright. Okay then. We have to go to 90 then. Okay. Okie dokie. Go. Alright, so now we're taking 3 images here in green. That should be perfect timing. We should be done just at 1 o'clock. This is perfect. That's better. I'm gonna put my phone on the charger. Where is my cell phone charger? Oh, it's right here. Perfect. I think it came on and plugged. It did. There we go. I was wondering why it wasn't charging. About 1 more minute and then we should have our first green image. So the first green image is now done. Oh, the green one looks great. Perfect. Alright, so number 2 should be just about done here. There we go. So number 2 is done. Perfect. We got one more in green, and then we'll switch to blue, and then we'll be done for the night.
If I could see you again, I don't know where to start. I've tried to fix every wound with this lone heart. I'd see that siren smile while I'd find a way to breathe. But the way that your eyes shatter mine, I will be defeated. But if I'd go back, I could turn away. But if I leave it, I couldn't let me. If I go back, I could turn away. But I would turn back, I'm bound to relapse. I wish I'd see you again, but I don't know where I start. You're so hard to detach, though I know I should let go. I would undo it all in a second if I could. But now that I know you were here, I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender. I just can't surrender.
you need to go over to the Aurora Cam. It's super awesome. Churchill, Manitoba, Canada. Well, I might have to do that in a little bit. So we're gonna do green. The green ones have been saved. And now we're gonna do blue. Alright, so let's see, blue. Oh, excuse me again. Okay, switching to blue. Right there. That's perfect. Excellent. And we'll take our last three. And then we will be done. Let me take a look. Let's take a look and see. Oh, wow. Well, it was the picture before it showed the live camera was nice. Not seeing much here. There's a lot of green before. You definitely see some auroras there. That's really cool. And that's in Churchill, Manitoba. In Canada. Well, we won't find any of that, so you know. Close the window. So it's like a friggin' jet plane is going off or something. Here, we're gonna move this up here a little bit. I haven't. Auroras, they don't come around here. Alright, so we're going to let these next 3 images come through. I'm going to mute the mic. We're going to listen to some music. End it out for these last 10 to 12 minutes. I'll come back on and say my good nights. And we'll be back.
Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Cause the
Alright. You can see a plane just went through. That's pretty cool. Up at the top there. That's really cool. We are on our last blue image. So we are going to be calling it a night. It's 1 a.m. We've been on for just a shit under 4 hours. It has been an awesome time. We're going to let one more song play off after this, and then we are closing shop. I got to work tomorrow, so we're good to go. So I want to thank you guys for coming on in, having a wonderful time. We got 3 objects. We got red, green, and blue filters on all of them. We will stack these, look at them, and go from there. So you guys have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Bye.
never cool down, always being in your high. They say that every song has an ending, every love is the same. But baby, we'll call us forever, wishing that this never ends. It's like a dream. It's like a dream when we both get together and feel screaming now whenever we dream. Here is the thing I knew right from the start. Yeah, you're all, you are the best part of my red heart. You are the best part. It's like a dream. It's like a dream when we both get together and feel. Yeah, my mind is screaming now whenever we dream. Here is the thing I knew right from the start. Yeah, you are the best part of my red heart. You are the best part.
Watch out, 'cause I know the break's coming. I know the break's coming. Know the break's coming. Know the break's coming. Breaking the blank on a break. Watch out, 'cause I know the break's coming.